Hello everyone. Let's start our today's topic. I have started unit number 7, class 9th. Topic is linear equation. Yesterday I have done question number 1, part number 1 of exercise 7.1. Today I have taken part number 9 of question number 1, linear equation and inequalities. Okay, you can see I have a linear equation. Okay, to simplify this, you can see that first term is with square, 2 over x square minus 1. This is in form of square, and this term and this term, you can see that these are not in form of square. And the very simple way of this question is that 2 over x square minus 1, I will shift this term to the other side of the equation because both terms have same denominators. So it will be very easy for me to simplify it, although there are a lot of ways to solve this question, but I am telling you about the simplest way, that when you will shift this number to the other side of the equation, you can see that both numbers have the same denominator, and whenever the fractions have same denominator, their LCM will be very easy. So 2 over x square minus 1 will remain here, is equal to when this term 1 over x plus 1, when this term will shift to the other side of the equation, its sign will be changed. So you can see here 1 over x plus 1, 1 over x plus 1, and you will shift this term to the other side of the equation. This is with minus. When it will come to this side, it will become plus 1 over x plus 1. Is it clear? Whenever you will shift any number to the other side of the equation, its sign will be changed. The sign is minus. When I will write it to the other side of the equation, this sign will become plus. Okay. Now you can see 2 over x square minus 1 is equal to, both numbers have same denominator, so LCM is very easy. X plus 1 and x plus 1, LCM is x plus 1. And whenever same denominator x plus 1, so numerator are being added, you will write it 1 plus 1. It's just like addition of like fractions. In junior sections you have studied about this, that is addition of like fractions. These are like fractions because their denominators are same. So addition of like fraction mean you will write the denominator, because both denominators are same, you will write the denominator here one time, then you will add the numerators 1 plus 1, right? So this is 2 over x square minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 over x plus 1. Okay, now you can see that you have a fraction, and between the fraction you have equality sign. So you must remember that whenever you have equality sign between the fraction, you will do cross multiplication. Whenever you have equality sign, you will do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication mean 2 is going to multiply with x plus 1 is equal to, and this 2 is going to multiply with x square minus 1. Is it clear? Cross multiplication. And when we do cross multiplication, when we have equality sign of equation between the fractions, we do cross multiplication. Okay, now you can see 2 is going to multiply with x, 2x plus 2 one time, 2 is equal to 2x square minus 2. Okay, now I will arrange the equation in a way that you can see that you will write all the numbers on one side and the other side will become 0. Mean 2x plus 2, these number when it will come to this side of the equation, plus 2x square. When it will come here, it will become minus 2x square, and minus 2 when it will go to the other side, it will become plus 2 is equal to 0. Mean you will shift all the number in one side and the right hand side will be 0, right? So you can see now you will arrange the equation. This number is the biggest, 2x square, the number with square form. You will write it first, minus 2x square, minus 2x square. Then the number with x, that is plus 2x, and then plus 2 and plus 2, this is plus 4 is equal to 0. Right, this is I have arranged the equations, and now you can see that what is common in these three numbers. You can see 2 is the common factor of each number, because 2 1 time 2, 2 1 time 2, 2 2 time 4. Whenever you will see that any number that is common, you will take out that common, and if the first number is with negative sign, it's mean you will take out common minus 2. When you will take out common minus 2, here x square, then because of this minus sign, this will become negative sign, and 2 1 time 2, 2 is common, and what is left here? X is left here, and this is minus, so inner sign will be changed, right? This plus will become minus, because when you have negative sign outside the bracket, your inner sign will be changed. So 2 is how many time? 4. 2 2 time 4, mean you have taken out the common, right? You can see now you have minus 2x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. You can see that this minus 2 is going to is multiplying with this term that are inside the bracket. When I will shift this minus 2, when I will shift this minus 2 to this side of equation, it will be divided, because minus 2 is going to multiply here. When this term will shift to other side of the equation, it 0 by minus 2, and you know whenever you will divide any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So you have left x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it clear? What I said, that minus 2 is multiplying here. Minus 2 is multiplying here. When I will shift this minus 2 to the other side of the equation, it's mean it will be divided 0 by minus 2, and 0 by minus 2 mean 0. So you have only left x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I need to simplify this equation, and this is a little bit tricky, but you have studied all these factorizations and all these simplifications in 8th class, right? And you know about this, that here I will make factors in a way that you will find two numbers whose product is 2. You will find two numbers whose product will be 2, and when you will add or subtract that number, you will get the answer that is in center. Mean you will get this answer in central answer. You will find two numbers whose product will be 2, but when you will add or subtract those numbers, the answer will be the central one, middle term. Okay, and you know very well about you need 2, and you know 2 1 time 2, when you will multiply 2 1 time 2, and when you will subtract, the answer is 1. You can see the product, when you will multiply you will get 2, and when you will add or subtract you will get 1, because you know the coefficient of x is 1, you will get 1. So the two numbers that I have chosen are 2 and 1. Is it clear? आपने ऐसे नंबर चूज करने हैं कि जब आप उनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपके पास ये आंसर आए, यू विल गेट दिस आंसर, और जब उनको आप ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ विद दिस मिडल टर्म, मीन योर आंसर शुड बी द मिडल वन. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर अगर हम 2 1s are 2 करें तो वो 2 आ गया, और अगर हम 2 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो वो 1 आ जाता है जो सेंटर वाली टर्म है. Is it clear? All these method you have studied in your previous class. So x square, what I will write, you need the central term with negative sign, so you will pick the largest number with negative sign. The two numbers are 2 and 1, and you will write the variable also, minus 2x plus x, plus 1 x, right? 2 1s are 2, and when you will subtract 1x from minus 2x, you will get minus x, right? And this is minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, I will not put sign of equality here. Okay, now you can see that I have made a factor in a way. I have chosen two new numbers. When I will multiply these two numbers, the answer will be the third one term, right? And when I will subtract these two numbers, I will get the answer middle term. I will get the middle term, and this is a midterm break factorization. So now you can see that x square minus 2x, what is common in these two terms? Common is x minus 2. Then what is the common of the next two terms? Plus 1. And what is common here? X minus 2 is equal to 0, right? Okay, now you can see that you have common. You can see that x minus 2 and x minus 2, it is common. And what is left? X plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, now you can see if the product of the two number is equal to 0, it's mean this number is equal to 0 or this number, and this number is also equal to 0. So you can write it x minus 2 is equal to 0 as well as x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? And what is the value of the x here? X minus 2 is equal to 0. When this minus 2 will shift to the other side of the equation, it will become 0 plus 2, and you will get the answer x is equal to 0 plus 2. You will get the answer 2. And here you can see when you will shift this plus 1 to the other side of the equation, it will become 0 minus 1, and 0 minus 1 mean x is equal to minus 1. You can see that you have two answers, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. And I have told you that you will also check your answer, that which solution is making your statement true. आपने checking B करनी होती है, जिसमें आप ये values अपनी original equation में put करते हैं, और अगर आपकी लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड दोनों इक्वल आ जाएं, इट्स मीन दैट सॉल्यूशन, दैट value is making your statement true, and that will be the solution set, right? So you will check it now. How I will check it? Checking mean you will put x is equal to 2 in original equation, right? Similarly, you will put x is equal to minus 1 in original equation, right? So what is the original equation? The original equation is I have an original equation that is 2 over x square minus 1, 2 over x square minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 1 over x plus 1, right? So you will put x is equal to 2. You can see 2 over x square. X, instead of x I will put 2, value of x is 2, so I will write 2 over here, 2 square minus 1, and minus 1 over value of x is 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over value of x is 2, 2 plus 1, right? You can see 2 square mean 4, 4 minus 1, this is minus 1 over 2 plus 1, that is 3, is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 mean 3. Okay, 2 over 4 minus 1 mean 3, minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. What is, you can see fraction and you can see negative sign, so the LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. Like fractions, 3 is LCM, and the numerator are going to subtract it, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 2 minus 1 mean 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. You can see that when you have put the value x is equal to 2 in your original equation, your both left hand side and right hand side are same. It's mean which is true. Which is true mean that x is equal to 2 is a value which is making your statement true, which is true, right? And whenever you will put the other value, x is equal to minus 1 in your original equation, you can see here when I will put x is equal to minus 1 into your original equation, 2 over x square mean value of x is minus 1 and x minus 1 square, then you will see minus 1, then minus 1 over value of x is minus 1 and plus 1, which is equal to 1 over minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, now you can see 2 over minus 1 square mean 1, minus 1 square mean 1 and minus 1, then minus 1 over plus 1 and minus 1, plus minus mean 1, minus 1 and plus 1, right? Cancel, mean 1 minus 1, that is 0. Here is also 0. And you must remember that in mathematics, whenever you have 0 in the denominator, this term will become undefined, infinity. 1 by 0 is undefined, right? 1 by 0 means infinity, which is undefined term. It means this solution is not possible. 1 by 0 is not possible. Whenever you have 0 at the denominator, your answer will be undefined, that is undefined term, and you can say that term infinity, right? So this is not possible. This is not possible. So what is the solution set in this question? So the solution set, S dot S means solution set. Solution set is 2, because 2 is a value which when I have put this value into the original equation, I have got left hand side and right hand sides are same, mean this is the value which has made the statement true. So your solution set will be 2. Is it clear?